So what's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Robbie Chambers and I hope to give you guys educational advice and opinion in subjects like lifestyle, finance, and mindset. Today I want to talk to you guys about 3 key financial decisions I've made in my life. These decisions have allowed me to one up my finances compared to the average person. To start things off, selling my old car and buying a used one was definitely one of the best things I could have done. Around a year ago, I sold my old Volkswagen for about $2,400, and I bought a new used 2014 Volkswagen for about $11,000. I was definitely concerned about the future of my old car and how much longer it would last until I had a major repair expense coming in my way. That, along with making more money at the time, I was really eager to buy a new car. While this car wasn't the cheapest I could find, I think that buying a used car with low mileage and nothing fancy is a great economic investment. Don't get me wrong, I love nicer cars, and when I was younger I dreamed of buying for my first car a Camaro or a Challenger like one of the Chad guys.
4, 3, take it or leave it.
This definitely didn't increase my expenses too much since I got it financed over 4 years. To save additional money, I also paid extra each month to decrease the loan balance, which would therefore decrease the interest that I would pay each year on the car, which in simpler terms means more money out of my pocket now for more money in my pocket in the future. Now for number 2, instead of going away for college, I decided to stay at home and go to my local college. While this was a very difficult decision in the moment, looking back at it, it's definitely something I would do over and over and over again. While I don't get to go out and party whenever I want or also experience some top quality education, I do save a lot of money and I actually make money. You see, the cost for a semester at Broward College is around $1,300. With financial aid, Fulbright Futures, and other scholarships from my school, I usually get about $4,400. That's a net profit of $3,100 each semester. This has really helped me save and live for the past 6 months without a consistent job. Not only is the economic side of this investment really good, but it is also very easy for me to pass my classes. It helps me not worry as much with my schoolwork and focus my attention to things I really enjoy in life. This has allowed me to cash out my Florida prepaid. If you don't know what that is, it's a way for your parents to save money and put it towards your college fund while you're young. I just received a check for $12 grand for this. Since I do not need it to cover the expenses of my education, and the value it would bring me over the last 2 years of my education isn't greater than the value of having that money now, I thought it was a great choice. I'll be posting a video for you guys of me investing almost all 12 grand of that into Robinhood. I'll be showing you guys what I'm buying and why I am buying it, so you can look forward to seeing that. Remember, if you're looking to invest and want to use one of the top investing platforms, Robinhood is one of your best choices. If you sign up using the link in my description, you'll also gain a free stock that could be valued up to $500. But on average, it's valued about $5. Last but not least, saving and investing my first $7,000 has been a major step forward in my economic path for financial freedom. It showed me that I had the discipline to save it up and the balls to invest it. I knew ever since I was young that I wanted to invest my money so that I could make more and more money over time. Seeing the profits that I've made over the last 2 years have really set in stone my mindset towards investing, and it's certainly confirmed my ambitions to become financially free. I like to look at investing like this. Millions of people dread their 9-to-5 job, but I believe it's because they dread how much money they make from it. So what's the easiest way to ever increase your yearly earnings? You guessed it, investing. When I'm sitting in my cubicle and everyone around me is making 25 grand a year, I know that I'll be making 26 grand a year and more each year after that. With compound interest, discipline, and hopefully promotions, I can set in stone my path towards financial freedom. I hope you guys really took something away from this video. It was awesome to reflect on my past and create a video like this. I highly encourage you guys to reflect on your past to see what you could have done, can do, and will do in the future. Most importantly, I want you guys to take action in your life because you guys are the main character and you're in control. A great quote that I like to say is, if you're born poor, it's not your fault. But if you die poor, it is your fault. If you haven't already, I have a podcast up and running. It's on all major platforms, including Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and Anchor. It's mostly currently the audio versions of these videos, but that'll definitely expand in the future. If you want to check out these podcasts, the link to them will be below in the description. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all your support and feedback. And once again, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below. I love looking at them, reading them, and responding, and hopefully getting the answer that you guys are searching for. As always, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.